Hey guys, welcome to TechGlider. Facebook has recently launched a new app called Lasso that lets users to create fun, entertaining videos from comedy to beauty to fitness and many more. Lasso app has many features. To find out these features, watch the video till the end. On Lasso, users can record themselves dancing and lip syncing to music. The app has a massive music library. Users can sign in to Lasso through Instagram or create an account using Facebook. They can share their videos directly from the app to their Facebook stories. You can follow creators, search hashtag, discover popular viral video trends, and many more. Hey guys, if you wanna know more about interesting apps and their new features that can help you in day-to-day life, well, think about subscribing here on this channel. Click on the red color subscribe button below. We share many interesting things. You can click on the heart icon to like the video. You can share the video on your favorite WhatsApp group, Facebook, and other platforms. Lasso allows users to create short-form videos, share content across channels, and discover the latest trends. If you like the short comedy videos, then click the like button below. To make the video, click on Lasso video icon. After that, click and hold the record icon for recording. You can record the video up to 15 seconds. You can turn on the flash. You can choose the music you want to put in the video. You can record the video at normal speed. You can record it at 0.1x speed, and also you can record it at 3x speed. You can also record a combination of few second videos and combine them together up to 15 seconds video. After recording the video, just click next. Then click on the music icon. After that, choose the song that you like. Then click on the add and click on next. Write the description that you like and put hashtags. You can also choose to share on Facebook stories and click on share on the top to share with your friends. After that, you will be notified when your video is fully uploaded. You can click on rocket icon to browse top creators, discover Lasso Got Talent, comedy, dance, fitness, and many more. You can click on your profile to see your followers, likes, and following. You can also view your overall uploaded videos. You can click on pencil icon on the top to edit your channel name. Let's look at the video samples. If you record at normal speed, then video looks something like this. If you record at 0.1x speed, then video looks something like this. And if you record video at 3x speed, then video looks something like this. And let's also look at the other video samples. Which Lasso app feature you like? Is it simplicity to record the video? Or because it is a new platform? Or it has a short 15-second video feature? Put your answer in the comment below. We would love that and others will too. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, then click on the red color subscribe button below.